Kamusta? Biyahe tayo ng maaga. Samahan niyo ako as I go to Clark to meet my friends for the 16th annual Mad Dog MC Poker Run. A poker run is an event commonly organized as a fundraiser, typically involving motorcycles. Participants travel to multiple checkpoints where they collect a playing card at each stop. At the end of the run, the person with the best poker hand wins a prize. Meanwhile, here's some engine sounds. Here we are at the historical Fort Stotzenberg at Clark Parade Grounds. This is where the run will start.
We got lots to do. We're all here, let's go. And then just as I was getting the car,
Time for me to get registered
There you go.
and draw my first card.
Yeah, right, 1,000, 3 tokens, a sticker,
They can just look at what card they want.
6 of diamonds.
put
Slip it back in.
Yeah, chuck it back in. What you like No demand, yeah?
Keep that.
A generous sponsor.
You pay for me then, didn't you?
There you go. You owe me 1,000.
Yes. Alright. How's it going?
Oh wow! Never seen one of these before.
Just give me the ace of spades.
Yeah, just give me those. It's a lovely place. Oh, 2 of fucking hearts. Come on. Redraw.
Yeah, well, yes.
Oh.
Guess who came out to play today? My friend, Dashcam Daddy.
What's up, Tasty Trottle?
What's up, Dashcam Daddy?
And now, time for some aerial montage. Yep, I guess everyone's here. What a great turnout. It is amazing to see other clubs joining in on this event. Everyone seems excited to take off, so let's get ready so we can roll. Hearts thumping, engines revving, we are on our way to our first checkpoint. We are inside New Clark City, headed to Nolan's American Resto. Everyone's lining up to draw their cards. After that, some refreshments. And after that, let's get ready to hit the road again. Now, let's hear some more engine noises. Riding a bike has a way of stirring deep thoughts, as it offers a unique combination of freedom, vulnerability, and connection with the world around you. On a bike, there is no room for distractions. Your mind sinks with the ride, every turn, every gear shift, every changing landscape. It's a practice in mindfulness, teaching you to focus on the now rather than worrying about what lies ahead. Riding a motorcycle strips life to its essentials: the road, the wind, and the rhythm of the engine. Every twist of the throttle is a reminder that you're in control of your path, But also that freedom comes with responsibility. Life feels raw, unfiltered, and intensely alive. The inherent danger of riding a motorcycle brings life into sharper focus. Each ride remembers you how fleeting life can be, urging you to savor every moment, appreciate the little things, and live boldly. We are now here. After conquering the twists and turns of Capas Tarlac backroads, we have arrived in Monasterio de Tarlac. I believe a motorcycle ride emphasizes the importance of the journey itself, not just the destination. It mirrors life's unpredictability, sometimes smooth, sometimes bumpy, but always worth the ride. After drawing our third card, and after some refreshments, we are now headed back to Clark at the International Speedway. Unlike a car, a motorcycle removes the barrier between you and the world. You feel the sun's warmth, the chill of a sudden wind, or the sting of raindrops. It's a constant reminder of nature's power and beauty, grounding you in the reality that you're a small part of something vast. The quiet hum of the bike and the open road creates a space for introspection. Alone with your thoughts, you confront your fears, dreams, and truths, often finding clarity that eludes you in the noise of daily life. Yet, motorcycling is not just solitary. It's also about connection. Riders share a unique bond, a mutual respect, and a silent acknowledgement of shared experiences. Riding a motorcycle is more than transportation. It's a metaphor for life. Every ride is a reminder to balance control with surrender, embrace vulnerability, and find joy in the journey. At last, we have arrived at our last checkpoint, Clark International Speedway. We are now here to draw our fourth and last cards. After drawing my last card, I went inside, got some food, some refreshments, and await the winner of the poker run. And now it's time to crown a new king. What a way to end a great run. I didn't win anything, but I gained new friends, and that makes me a winner. Now, time to meet up with my family.
Hello. Bracho.
Since it's a Sunday, we'll spend some more quality time after we get home. Thank you for watching. See you all on the next. Bye bye.